Your furnace needs to turn on, but it doesn't. Or let's say your furnace turns on, but the air that comes out is cold. Or let's say that the furnace turns off and on and off and on and off and on and off and on, but it never really gets to the heating cycle. What could be happening right there is you could have a faulty igniter. And what I'm going to do is show you how to replace a furnace igniter. Now, they used to have a pilot light that was in furnaces, but they didn't want to keep that pilot light on because they didn't think it was a safe thing to have. Instead, they have an igniter. An igniter is basically like if you have a gas grill and you got that little thing that you push and tick, 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 to turn it on, or you turn it and it goes snap, 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 snap until it turns on. That's an igniter. So basically, they have one of those put in a furnace, and so it gets a signal. That's how an igniter works. But if your igniter is bad, that signal will be sent, but nothing will happen. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. You're going to want to take off this main cover here. You're just going to locate some of these sheet metal screws, remove them until you can get your cover off. Okay, all right. Basically, you want to think of this like a gas grill. So here are the tubes that the gas goes through. They actually go inside here, okay? The igniter in this example is right here. So there's one bolt holding it on, and it plugs in here. It looks like this. So basically, this creates a connection and makes a spark through these electrodes, these connections. It goes through, makes a spark, and that's how it ignites these to make fire. Turn off the furnace, make sure it's not going to start. We're going to unplug this connection. I'm going to take the one screw so I can take that igniter out. I'm going to put the new igniter in. If yours has a clip like this, which they mostly do, make sure you line it up right. It's like, see the line here and the line here? Those need to match up. Now I'm just going to feed it in and put that screw back. I'm going to put the cover back on. We turned it on. We can hear the fans working. We're going to look through our peephole, make sure that that thing works. There we see the igniter come on. See that? That's the igniter glowing. There we go. Ignited that gas. Nice blue flame. Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I showed you how to change out an igniter in a modern furnace.